So it's time for you to replace your Jeep's headlights. You're gonna need to open up your hood. Make sure it's right after you just had it on and you were driving it, so it's super hot. You need to take off these 6 plastic fasteners, the plug fasteners. Now you're also going to have these clips inside at the bottom here. 1, 2, 3. It's like 4. Now you need to disconnect your lights for the turn signals. Twist downward, just pull out. Now you can just take off your grill. Now you have 4 T15 screws for your headlight. Take this off. You're gonna need to save this. This is also a T15. This is how you're gonna angle your headlights. See how it tilts forward and tilts back? That's how you aim your headlights. This is our new headlight set. Don't tighten them down all the way. So you have all of them in. These are already aftermarket headlights, so there's some modifications that they made to the wiring when they put these in. Luckily, they already have this adapter for the aftermarket headlights that plugs right into this one. Now with these, go ahead and just pull this off. You could be a little more professional than me if you wanted to. Just gonna splice them together. You can definitely have a much better connection. Probably solder these together. Heat gun would be much better than a flame if you have one. Plug in this bad boy right here. There we are. Not like that either. There we go. Here, go put your screws back in, just like the other one. Don't tighten them all the way down until all of them are in. Now let's go ahead and put this grill back in. Come down, grab your light. Starts from the bottom like this. Then bring it upwards. Down, up. Now line up all 4 of your clips. Should be able to slide them back in. Just kind of press. Hear them click. Go ahead and start putting these back in now. Oh yeah, looking good to me. Those are the daytime runner lights, and every time you unlock, here's the brights, or high beams rather.